son, what is the problem?
Ask my wife. Nonsense.
My daughter, your face is not clear. What is the problem?
Pastor, ask my husband. Every day will be beating me, treating me like a slave, doing me anyhow. I don't know what I did to him.
You are even doing that in my presence.
She will be running her mouth like a new motor saw.
Oh no, I can't. You hit woman no matter what. They are tender beings. When you were asleep, God collected your ribs to make them. You should respect that fact.
Sorry, sir.
I'm a tactical man. God is my witness. I have never raised my hand to hit my wife. It's not done. What do you... She's here. Ask her. Excuse me. What will you do?
Finish her.
Scope etenya.